What's going on, everybody? Thanks for coming by. Welcome to the GB CNC Carving and Woodworking channel. Today we're going to do a quick carve. I'm making a sign for a good friend of mine. It's a thankful sign, as they're calling it these days. We're going to be about 3 foot wide by 11 inches height. I'm using 3/4 pine. And this is just a test to see how it works, and if it works out great, and we'll go from there. Alright, so we're going to fire up the dust collection. I'm going to get the bit where it needs to be. Fire up the spindle. We're going to get carving. All right, we are done carving the thankful sign. We turn it up to the camera a little bit. Like it's going past my machine frame, so I can't stand it up any farther right now. So, carved really nice. I really like it. This is 3/4 inch pine, standard construction grade wood. As you can see, the sign is still kind of attached to the main body of the wood, and what that is, I add what is called tabs, and it's a small little piece of wood that's left behind that holds the bottom of the piece in, so it keeps it centered, doesn't move. Some people don't use tabs. They may rely on the sawdust that builds up inside the carve, which is fine too, whatever works for you. I like things being secured down, and I will probably always use tabs. Depends. Small stuff, you know. And plus, with the little pieces that develop, I don't want these getting sucked up into my vacuum system. Now, sometimes it might happen, but we don't want something like that getting sucked up in and causing an issue down the road. But all in all, it turned out nice, and I'm going to be cutting it free, and then we'll go from there. All right, well, I think that wraps it up for this video. This is going to be shipped out to my good friend, and they are going to take care of finishing. I'll stand it all up, get it packaged. There is another wall hanging word I am going to be carving for them, which is coming up very, very, very soon. All right, so I appreciate everybody stopping by and giving my video a watch. As always, please like and subscribe and ring that bell. Thanks.